gotta go. We're starting to get hail. Large hail. I know. Chris. Yeah. Alright. I know. We're looking at it. I know. We're looking at it. Alright. 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 I don't know if that's the chance that squad is there.
Southwestern Salem County until 3:30 p.m. On 3:39 p.m. National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Ravensburg for 16 miles east of Whitehall and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Location and path includes overly cloud and hail. August when a tornado warning was issued, which means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors into the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpass.
Here are some storm reports from around the area. At 2:55 p.m., a tornado was reported at Low Emmy in St. Image County. These reports are preliminary and subject to later revision.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for eastern Morgan County, southwestern Salem County until 2:35 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Low Emmy, or 13 miles northwest of Bergen, and moving east at 20 miles an hour. Location and path includes Low Emmy, August, Chatham, Glenarm, Tyrrell, Greenberg, Southern View. Other locations in the warning include Chatham, New Zealand, Rochester, Greenfield, Waverly, and Clear Lake. When a tornado warning is issued, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors into the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under the highway overpass.
Yes, I believe this is. Yeah, it's taking us to get us 55 south.
Ooh, are you getting pumped up yet?
Yes.
Noting that
Nothing
we
is
just
right down there. I swear.
Noting that we just punctured through the
tornadic
tornadic part. Right here.
I see it.
To the right.
I see it. Didn't call that in?
No, it's I don't know if it's rotating.
Southwest of Bergen and moving east northeast at 50 miles an hour.
Watch it.
Location and path includes Bergen, Gerard, Farmers,
Possible funnel?
Railwood,
It's too high.
Harville,
Gotta be a funnel.
As of the way it's rotating.
damaging wind in excess
A possible
miles an hour,
placement?
destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain.
That could be it. That could be a funnel.
Move to an interior roof on the lowest floor of your home location. Heavy winds flood roads quickly, so do not drive to areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch moves to the tent in the warning area. Tornadoes can develop quickly on severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely,
42, you can get off.
Get me off.
Next exit. Next
inside a
exit.
dirty structure, such as a basement or small exterior room.
Next
Wow,
exit.
with this-
42
oh.
exit.
Storm warning for
On top of us, dude.
northeast eastern Tilton County to Penn. A severe thunderstorm warning is expected at 3:45 p.m. for Central Madison.
Toronto Road. Is this it?
Actually, Montauk Road, that's our exit.
Okay, we want to turn left. Yeah,
Go right
turn
and turn
left.
left. Go right and turn left.
Alright,
This one. That's it.
there is some rotation here.
Storm will rotate along the line present from power to the southwest.
Alright, we gotta haul ass
At
east.
45 miles per hour. Rotation to
Pretty
pass.
sure we don't want to get
New
caught.
house, no town.
Who is that? I know what I need to do now.
So, tornado touchdown and all. Yeah, we know. My mom. Yeah. That's gotta be it. That thing is gotta be
That's the wall file right there. Now we just gotta get back to the wall.
I think I see rotation. There's rotation.
To replace its safety and security structure, such as a basement or small interior room.
The following is a summary of one
Green.
findings in effect. The WXT-75 was in the area. A tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties. Ordnance
Wow,
statement.
they actually
A
bring the red
tornado
light.
warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties. Ordnance statement. Tornado warning has been allowed to expire for the following counties. Macomb County. Severe thunderstorm warning has been canceled for the following counties. Castle and Oregon. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m.
Oh, this is not good. We have
but not in
a little bit of debris.
Tornado warning has been allowed to expire for the following
There's
counties.
leaves coming out of the sky.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties. Macomb and Montgomery. Tornado Washington
Southwest.
13 remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties.
Oh, is it?
DeWitt, Logan, Bacon, Mason, Menard, Boardman, Chamberlain. Here are some storm reports from around the area. At 2:55 p.m., a tornado was reported in Low M in St. Helens County. Reports are preliminary and subject to later revision. At 3 p.m. in Springfield, a thunderstorm was reported. Visibility was 1/2 miles.
It's west of us. It's west of us.
79 degrees.
It's
The dew point
very.
was 73,
Oh my
and the
God.
relative
Like right
humidity
behind
was
us, or?
83%. The heat
Right behind
index
us.
was 82.
Haul
The
ass.
wind was felt at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 29. The pressure was 29.72 inches and falling. Elsewhere around central Illinois, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 77 in Peoria and 7.
Haul ass. Haul ass.
It was mostly sunny.
I'm gotta wait for this dude.
This guy.
And 79 at Quincy. It was probably sunny with a temperature of 79 in Bloomington, 82 in Champaign, 84 in Decatur, and 83 in Lincoln. And once again in
We
Springfield,
got leaves coming out of the sky.
the temperature was
It's right on top of us.
Zoom in, man. Where does the road go?
and now the
This
We
road
need to
go.
get east.
following counties. Illinois, Menard,
Alright, take this road.
Tornado Washington,
Take this road. Next one goes south. Then go east. Next road goes south. Turn right.
Hey!
Let's go push this north. You want this one to push this north?
East. We need to get
Next
east.
road. Next road to south. Then we go east.
South and then east. Okay. Push me into it.
Damn. No. No, turn right. Turn right. Keep following it. No, there's another road. I'll take
Turn
it.
right?
This one is faster. Yes. I mean left. Sorry. I'm getting myself turned around here.
And now the short term outlook for the following counties.
We're out running. Why you have me going north?